Microsoft Teams versus Slack. Hi guys, Microsoft Teams and Slack are two of the most popular collaborative and communicative platforms. But which one should you be using? To help you make an informed decision, I'll explain the main differences between Slack and Microsoft Teams, and we'll consider 6 criteria to see how these two tools stack up. And thank you for using the links in the description. So let's find out which is better for you. For the interface. Teams and Slack have similar interfaces, which include sections for one-to-one chats, group messages, notifications, and files. Teams has a dedicated space for calls, while Slack sets itself apart from other collaboration apps with its flexible channel system, which gives users the ability to join and leave different topics with ease. Both services are available on a range of devices, including web browser versions, desktop apps, and mobile apps, so you can access them in the office and on the go. And for the features and pricing. If you are only interested in essential features of Teams or Slack, you will get more for your money with Microsoft Teams. You will get basic features similar to Slack's for a few dollars. Also with Teams, if you subscribe to one of the higher tiers, you will have access to the Microsoft 365 apps, which is something Slack can't do. Still, you have benefit from the convenience of dealing with a single vendor for team communication and collaboration. Microsoft Teams is also a better alternative to Slack if you want to host large video conferences for your company. You can host or participate in live or video conferences with up to 300 guests. The free Slack plan supports one-on-one phone and video calls, but it does not allow screen sharing for group calls and video conferences. Meanwhile, Microsoft Teams supports one-on-one and group audio and video calls with screen sharing features in all of its plans. In the paid versions of Slack, only 15 people can be on a video call simultaneously. This limitation makes Teams a clear winner in this category. Slack's plans are available in 4 categories: Free, Pro, Business Plus, and Enterprise. Keep in mind that the platform offers discounts for plans billed annually. Prices are higher if you pay monthly. Microsoft Teams plans are also available in 4 categories. Keep in mind that these prices are the monthly costs of the annual subscription, starting at $4 a month per user. Considering the price of each premium plan, Microsoft Teams appears to offer better value. And for storage space. Both Slack and Microsoft Teams provide users with file storage space for uploading and sharing documents. Slack Workspaces gives you full access to the files from the last 90 days using the free plan. Anything users post on a channel or via direct messages counts toward this limit, including PDF files, documents, pictures, audio, and video files. As for Slack's Pro and Business plans, each member gets 10 gigabytes and 20 gigabytes of storage, respectively. Users can still upload files after exceeding the storage space limit. However, Slack will archive the oldest files, which won't be accessible through channels, direct messages, or search results. To access archived messages or files, users will have to upgrade to a paid plan. Moving on to Microsoft Teams, the free plan offers 5 gigabytes of cloud storage. In paid plans, storage capacities increase from 10 gigabytes up to 1 terabyte of cloud storage. And for the integrations and sharing content, Microsoft Teams will be the better choice for most. Given Teams is part of Office 365, users can easily share and upload files using OneDrive and SharePoint. Moreover, Teams also facilitates task management using built-in file editing programs such as PowerPoint, OneNote, Word, and Excel. Editing a document in Slack requires downloading and opening the file with the appropriate program. Slack users must rely on third-party app integrations such as Google Drive and Dropbox for file storage, sharing, and collaboration. With MS Teams, you get 250-plus integrated apps for all pricing tiers, including the free version of Microsoft Teams. However, Slack's free plan only allows up to 10 integrations, while the paid plans grant users access to more than 2,000 apps. Slack also integrates with some Office 365 apps like Outlook Calendar and Emails and OneDrive. And for the messaging capabilities. In terms of messaging capabilities, both Microsoft Teams and Slack allow their users to chat, share updates, and send files and links to other members. Additionally, users can also modify their statuses and view others. As for chat history, Slack's free version displays only the past 90 days of message history. Users must upgrade to a paid plan to access the entire message history. On the other hand, Microsoft Teams users have complete message history on all plans. Also, Teams and Slack enable you to create private messages and channels. This provides a unified view of any project in progress or important announcements. What stands out from the Teams messaging capability is its immersive reader feature. It reads text aloud at varying speeds and lets you choose different font sizes and colors for texts and adds labels to messages. To chat with external collaborators, Microsoft Teams offers guest access. It allows you to add a person from outside the company to chat, call, or collaborate. When you invite a guest, they must accept the invitation sent to their email. The team owner may include an overview of the team and what new users should expect from it in the message. External collaboration is also made easy with Slack. Administrators can add up to 5 single-channel guests on each paid plan, but they will be billed as regular users of the paid plans if you need to invite more than that. You can set a time limit for their accounts if they are just joining for a short-term collaboration. Plus, since Slack guest access is limited to just one channel, information from other parts of your organization won't be visible to Slack guests. Still, they can freely explore the channel and view the complete conversation history prior to their addition. By default, Microsoft Teams users can turn off Read Receipts. However, administrators can override this setting and enable Read Receipts. Meanwhile, Slack still does not provide the functionality. Data protection. Beyond the protection measures you can enforce with Microsoft Intune, Teams also provide data loss prevention to stop leaks. Slack does not have a similar service. Both tools provide security measures to encrypt messages, files, and data. They also both come with two-factor authentication. However, Teams has the upper hand again with its admin controls because of its integration with the Microsoft Admin Center. So choosing between Microsoft Teams and Slack depends on your business and your needs. Both tools come with advantages and disadvantages. It will depend on your current needs. Microsoft Teams is geared more toward larger enterprises and is fully integrated with the Microsoft ecosystem. At the same time, Slack primarily aims at smaller businesses and offers a wide range of integrations with third-party tools and services. Other than that, it's up to you. So, yeah, that's it for this video. You can check the links in the description. That helps a lot. Thank you. So hopefully this video helps you out. If it did, leave a comment and click the like button. That helps too. And goodbye for now.